Okay, I had a request for review question number 10B. So that one, I already did 10A, so I'm just going to scroll up and show you. 10B is asking me to determine the area of triangle ABC. So in 10A, I've already done some other work here. I took the points that were given A, B, and C, and I found the vectors that represent each of the sides. So I've got vector AB, BC, and AC. So I'm going to use those vectors to find the area of the triangle. So remember that in lesson 7.7, we talked about some applications of dot and cross product, and we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 the magnitude of the cross product. So here I can use, for vector A and for vector B, I can use any of these three sides here. It doesn't matter. So maybe I use AB and AC like I've highlighted above. So maybe I'm going to use AB and AC, and so we'll just copy those values down here. And again, to find these values, I just subtracted the x values. I did b minus a when I subtracted each of the components, and I got -2, -6, -3. And then I did AC, so again I started with C and I subtracted the A, and I came up with 3, -1, -11. And so those are going to be the two sides that I plug in here. So I want the magnitude of the cross product. So we have a couple of formulas. We have a formula for the magnitude of cross product that looks like this. But I don't know theta, so I can't use this guy. So instead what I'm going to do is just keep my magnitude bars and actually figure out what is the cross product of these two vectors. So to do that, I'm going to do component 2 times component 3 minus component 3 times component 2. And then I'm going to do 3 times 1. And then I'm going to do 1 times 3. And then I'm going to do 1 times 2 minus, and then 2 times 1. And so now I've got that resultant vector for the cross product. And now I'm just going to find the magnitude of that, and then I'll multiply the half through that. And so I'm just finding my calculator, which I left across the room. One moment. Okay, so I've got 63 squared plus 31 squared plus 20 squared. And I can't take out a 4, which is unfortunate because that would get rid of that half for me. I don't have one of those magic calculators that just automatically reduces this for me, so I'm actually checking if I can divide by any perfect squares here. And I don't think so. I don't want to just do this on video, but like you could look into whether or not you could reduce this any further. You might be able to, but it would take a little bit more time for me, and I'm going to pause the video here.